Hello everyone. Let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is maximum level sum of a binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, the level of its root is 1 and the level of its children is 2 and so on. Okay. And return the smallest level x such that the sum of all the values of node at level x is maximum. So this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3. So in the question it is asked that if we find the sum of each level, we have to return the mm, sum. We have to calculate the sum and we have to return the level at which the sum is maximum. Okay. Now let's understand how we are gonna solve this question. It is a binary tree. Okay. It is a binary tree question. So let's say we have this tree one, two, three, four, five, let's say six, and one more, let's say seven. These are the values, okay? Consider these are the values. Now, now what we want to find is this is level one, this is level two, level three, and level four. Yeah. So what is the sum? Here it is 1, here it is 2 plus 3 is 5. Here it is 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15. And here it is 7 plus 8, that is 15. 15. Yeah. So we want to find the maximum value of this is this one, and you can see two are there, but in the question it is given we have to return return the smallest level x such that the sum of all the values of node at level x is maximal. So smallest level is level 3. So our answer is 3. We have to return the level, not the number, not the sum. Okay. So how we are going to solve this is, if you are aware that we have level order traversal, level order traversal, okay, in binary tree. So we will be using this level order traversal to calculate the sum. In level order traversal, we will go level by level. Okay, we traverse in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and there are other traversals in binary tree such as pre-order, post-order, in-order. Okay, we won't be using that in this question. We are asked level by level, so we will be solving this, and it's the same approach, you can say, breadth first search, BFS. Okay, and let's now solve. Before going to code editor to code, I'll explain what we will be using. Okay, we will be using for BFS, we use a queue. Okay, we will be using a queue. So how it will be traversing level by level. Consider I'm inserting one in my queue. Queue is what? Queue is first in, first out, FIFO. Okay, so if I'm inserting one, I will take that one and I will insert its children. What are its children? Are 2 and 3. Okay. Now I have, let's say I'm printing, just printing one. I'm explaining the level order traversal. Now, next, after this, I will tell how we will find this. Now we have 2. So I'll take back 2, and what are its children? 4, 5. So I will add 4 and 5. So in my answer, I'll add 2. I'll take 3. What are its children? Is 6. So in my answer is 3. I'll take 4. Okay, and what are its children? 7 and 8. I'll take 5, no children, just print. I'll take 6. I'll take 7, 8. I'll take means I'm just popping out. So is this a level order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is this? Yes. So for some, what we will do is, okay, after taking this, okay, in my queue, initially, if you see, okay, I'll again add this. In my queue, initially 1 is there. So I will just traverse this one. Okay, I'll get 1 and I'll add another 2 and 3. Okay, Now in my queue, what is my queue size? Queue size is 2. So at what I will do, I will only traverse 2 for this 2. Okay. While traversing, we will be adding, of course, we will be adding 4, 5, 6 for 2 and 3, but we will take this size before adding. Okay. We won't be doing the q dot size every time. Okay. We will first take this size and then we will pop each one. Okay. And then we will be adding, so we will get in level by level. So we will get 1 1, so we will add 2 plus 3, we will get 5, and we will maximize the value. Yeah, that's it. Now let's start coding. Is okay, what we'll take, we will take one answer is my 0, let's say initially one max value. Okay, it should be integer dot mean. Initially we are going to maximize. We will take one queue of integer, not integer, of tree node is equal to new linked list. Yes. Now we will add q dot add what? Add the initial, that is root. Now while my q dot is empty, is not empty till that time. Okay, level, we'll take one more int level which is equal to 0. Initially we will first increment our level. Okay, now my current sum of current level is initially 0. So for int I is equal to what? Q dot size. So what we will take, let's say I'll take one int size is equal to q dot size. Okay, and here I'll write int I is equal to size. I should be greater than 0 and I minus minus. Okay, this is not an index, this is just number of elements in that queue that time. So we'll get tree node tn, let's say, is equal to what? Q dot poll. Q dot poll. Now what we will do, we will add this in our current sum equal to tn dot value, and then the part is adding left and right node. So if my tn dot left is not equal to null, then what I'll do, q dot add tn dot left. If my tn dot right is not equal to null, then I will add q dot add tn dot right. Okay, that's it. And here after this for is for one level. So we will, what we will do, we will maximize. What I'll do, if my max value is greater, is less than my current sum, then what we have to do, I will update my max val is equal to current sum. And also what is my answer is my level, right? So answer is equal to level, and after this while loop we will return our answer. Now let's run this. So what we did, level by level we are finding the sum. Yes, you can say accepted. Let's submit this solution. Yeah, it is accepted. Our solution got accepted. So in this way you can solve this question using the level order traversal. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.